Alright guys, I don't know what vlog this is going in, but we just made it to a car meet. Look at the color.
Nick! Are you kidding me? That's the second color.
That's the color that Emily wants to do on the Tesla.
No, don't put that.
What? You don't want to tell people?
No,
Look at the GTR.
No.
Sheesh. Anyways, we just made it to this car meet right now. If you guys remember Origins, they throw huge car events all the time. Today is their like grand opening of like a big shop that they just opened, which is pretty crazy. What's up, bro?
What's up? Okay, so just park in front of that sign.
Okay,
Yeah.
like just like this?
Facing out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm down. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, they're throwing a huge car event today. I guess they opened like a whole shop now. My camera's gonna die, Emily. There's no way my camera's gonna die, guys. That thing is so clean, bro. Look at those wheels. Even that little Eclipse is pretty sick. Damn, look at this thing, guys. 720S. Sheesh. You know that song? It goes 720S, it's a race car. Better yet, it's a jet. No? She don't know. That shit looks like a jet. Oh my god, guys. Look at this thing. What is that, Emily?
VCR.
This is the best GTR in the world. God damn, that shit is beautiful, bro. That looks so good in black. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. Black with the bronze TEs. Dude, that's literally the most perfect R34 I've ever seen. It's so funny how everyone's reactions.
Everyone's like...
Everybody has their phone out recording R34. Do you want to shut down a car meet? Just bring R34, guys.
See the way everyone is?
Do you see everyone's reaction?
Oh, yeah.
Like, it's insane, bro. People are over here. I heard that guy, I'll trade my life for it right now. It's beautiful. Like, that car is so clean. McLaren.
My little brother likes McLarens.
I know. Oh
A
my
Corvette.
god, what is this? That Corvette is hard. Look at the wide body kit.
This is nice.
It's molded too.
This is actually really nice.
This Corvette is very nice. I'm not gonna lie. Damn, this bed is hard, bro. That color is clean too.
Vinyl, right?
Of course, Emily.
They're so nice.
They're so nice, huh? What's up, puppy? Hi. You like dogs?
I do.
Why?
I want one so bad.
Why are they so nice? R8s, Porsches, McLarens. Bunch of supercars, bro. Huracans. R32. Clean, clean. Another R32. Oh, look at this Tesla, bro. Wrapped in red. Wow, this is sick. With the carbon fenders, too. What's up? Look, we got the matching shoes. I guess he watches all my videos. That's awesome. We all got the dunks on, bro. He said, yo.
He said, yo.
Guys, Emily wants to wrap her Tesla this color. What do you guys think? Comment down below. She wants to do it, but I don't know. It looks kind of cool. It's like a gray, but in the sunlight, it looks purple. But over there, it looks great.
I love that color.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
It looks kind of cool on the Tesla. They got the matching TEs, the white ones. This BMW sick. 135. That red is so nice. 46 over there, the red one. Just like mine. The front end. I need to put the front bumper on. Okay, we got a McLaren in here, Ferrari, some crazy wrapped cars. Oh my god, SV, guys. God damn. Please buy it for me. I need it. R33. Alright, we made it. This is the little Origins spot. They have some cool cars in here. Full carbon fiber Lambo. Look at that. Everything is carbon fiber, guys, on this car. That's crazy. Everything's carbon fiber. There's some sick cars in here. It's literally all carbon fiber, bro. Everything on the car is carbon. Imagine how much money that is. This Tesla is crazy. No, Emily.
Look at how the screen is tilted towards
No, we're not doing any of this.
Dude, look at that.
What, you want to do the doors?
No, look at the inside. Like,
Bro, he really put an exhaust. Well, not an exhaust, a speaker, so it sounds like an exhaust. That's crazy. They put a dash in. Whoa! That's sick.
That was cool.
Should we put a speaker on Emily's car? Make it sound like a GTR? Another one. What's up, puppy? Aw, Pima was this small. What's up? Bro, you're so cute. This thing's pretty sick, guys. 335. I like the blue. Oh, shit, food. The trucks. This Ferrari's clean. It looks almost like my E92 color. It's like a little more bluer, I think. But damn, that shit's nice. Murcielago. It's an old Lamborghini, but they're very rare. And look at the exhaust. Sheesh, that thing is hard. It actually looks really good like this with the fat tires, kind of. Look at a little race car look. Damn, bro, this shit is beautiful. Look at the hood, how it drops in. You can see through it. Bro, this Ferrari is actually so clean. And he even got BBS's on it. So hard. Fast guys. This car is so fast, guys. You guys remember when I raced him? Shit makes 1,400 horsepower. That is a big ass truck. Emily, please stand next to the truck so we can see. It's huge. That's crazy. Guys, look, this is my biggest fan, I swear. She comments on all my posts, buys all the merch and everything. So it's freaking awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it.
That was nice.
Oh, that's sick. Oh, shit. Why are you laughing, Emily?
That's so cool.
It is cool. Honestly, I want a lowrider, guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie.
So cool.
You probably don't think I would be driving a lowrider, but I really want one. Emily, please stand next to the wheel. She's the same size as the wheel, bro. I don't even think you could get in there. If you were in the street, he would not see you, Emily. He would not see you. That's a badass truck, bro.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel.
Okay,
I'm hyper right now.
what's up, guys? You watching another video?
What's up, guys? Thanks. Okay, I'm just scared. Hey, guys.
Emily, stop it. Like, just act yourself. Talk. Just talk as if it's me and you in the car. Stop.
This is too much. Too much pressure right now. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. Welcome back to our channel.
You think it'll be Emily and Nick or Nick and Emily?
Emily and Nick.
Ah,
Thank you for watching another video.
M3.
Look at the M3. Oh my god. Look at it. Whoa.
Yeah, that shit's actually clean.
Wow, nice car, guys. We're in the GTR today. We never go in it anymore. We're always in my Tesla. Okay.
Do you think, I've seen a couple comments, do you think that we should start our own channel, like a separate one from Finding Nick? Just so it's more like of the daily stuff. Because I know a lot of people that watch my vlogs, a lot of people like watching it, but some people would rather only be like car stuff on my channel, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I feel like if we started a separate channel with me and Emily, we could just start doing more daily lifestyle stuff that we do in a daily, things that we're doing when we're hanging out.
Yeah. There will also be some more like girly stuff.
Oh, God.
Pops.
We got pulled over.
Not you, finally.
But anyways, if you guys think we should start a separate channel, comment down below. Let me know. And we'll start doing some more daily vlogs in there. It'll be more content for you guys. And we have gained a pretty good audience with like my audience and some of Evelyn's audience. And it'll be more
Different
lifestyle
audience,
stuff. Not
yeah.
all car stuff. Obviously, there's going to be cars involved a lot. Like
Should we
this.
do it? What should our first video be?
We could do like, I could do some pranks on her.
No, I'm not.
We
with
could do
pranks.
some challenges.
The pranks, I feel like,
vlogs.
I guess. I want to prank Nick.
Like that?
If you think we should do our own channel, what should our first video be? And what should we name the channel?
I'm saying Nick and Emily, but she says
Emily and Nick. No, Nick and Emily does sound better, honestly.
Nick and Emily.
But, I don't know, like, what if we think of like a cool name? Like a get to know us?
Yeah, like a
or like just a random vlog.
I'm sure people want to know like how we land or
To downtown Disney to build a car.
really, what do you do? I don't understand.
It's like build a, I don't know, honestly, I don't know, I've never done it. But I've seen, like from the outside, it looks like it's like Build-A-Bear, but for cars. You can like build it, you
Like
choose.
a toy car.
Like a toy car, yeah. Okay, made it to downtown Disney.
Made it.
Oh, cute little date. Nice and cute, Nick.
Guys, change of plan.
So it turns out that they don't have the car thing anymore.
Yeah, I don't think they
I
have
haven't
to
been
build a
to
car.
downtown
Build a car
Disney
thing.
in like years.
So anyways, instead, Emily just wants to get drunk. Like always.
So this is the Emerald Crush.
What is that?
It's like vodka and kiwi and I don't know what else, but it looks good.
I don't drink. I'm gonna get a water.
No, you gotta drink for once.
Look at these fruity ass drinks.
Nick's a little fruity today.
What is this? A smoothie?
This is really good. It doesn't taste like alcohol at all.
Try mine. Uh-oh. Emily's gonna get drunk. Uh-oh.
Oh, yours tastes like...
Strong?
Mine is better. I'm gonna be able to do it.
Yeah, you could. Emily's gonna chug this whole thing in one drink.
This one is stronger than the first one.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Do not stop, Emmy. There's no way.
Guys, we're in the Lego store. Look at that. The genie. Who's on there? Aladdin, Jasmine. What's the monkey's name again?
Emily. You stop, bro.
We're gonna get a Supra. Which car should we build? The Koenigsegg?
I wanna build one.
The Toyota. What is that?
What car is that?
I don't know.
Your brothers knew what it is.
Yeah, but it's a Lego.
The 4GT.
Oh, 4GT.
I don't know why, but I kind of want to build a Lego, guys. Too bad there's no GTR. I've seen a GTR Lego, but it's not here. But whatever, we might do this. Koenigsegg. They call like Jescos or something like that. Koenigsegg. Oh yeah, Jesco. I knew it. I know that because of Forza. Guys, look at this one. Lamborghini can build. It's really $400 for a Lego? Who buys this, bro?
Oh my God, there's only one.
Oh shit.
Like collector
Oh,
people
shit.
will buy this.
I don't know if I'm that committed to spend $400
Look, there's a Ferrari
on
for
a Lego.
$169.
That's not that bad, but $400? These Legos are really sick. Like, look at that. It's really a Senna, bro. I want to find the GTR one though.
So we are leaving downtown Disney. Still had fun even though there was no car.
You got cars?
Build the car.
We're gonna build the car.
Oh, we got the Legos though. We got Legos, candy apple. We're going home now. No, we're going to a car meet actually. We're going home actually.
Okay, Emily's drunk, obviously.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died,